Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering everything off and unplugging the monitor and PC. This prevents shorts and gives you safe access. Once done, visually inspect both cable ends and the monitor port with a flashlight to spot bent pins, corrosion, or torn shielding. If you see obvious damage, swap in a known good spare cable to isolate the issue quickly. Make sure to note connector type, display port, HDMI, or DVI, so you test the exact signal path you'll be repairing. Now you open the monitor only if external checks fail, keeping screws and shields organized. You're looking for loose internal connectors or cracked solder joints near the signal board. Once inside, gently tug the cable at the internal strain relief and examine the board side connector for lifted pads or cold solder joints. If everything looks intact, reseat the cable firmly, replace shielding, and test using a spare cable and a different input port to confirm whether the problem is the cable, connector, or signal board. Finish by securing connectors, replacing any rubber seals, and reassembling the monitor so connections stay stable. Loose reassembly often recreates the fault. Then power up and test with multiple known good cables and another PC or GPU to rule out source issues. If the problem persists intermittently, perform a gentle wiggle test while the display is active and note exactly when glitches occur. That single observation is your best troubleshooting clue and speeds up deciding between replacing the cable or repairing the monitor's input board.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.